So, I just got back from a trip to Egypt and Jordan where we were taking a look at some of the new wonders of the world. It was officially my first time going all Sony all the time. I took only this, the Sony Alpha a7S III and 3 lenses, and I was not disappointed. My name is Nicholas Johnson, and this is the Space Warehouse. I'm gonna do a proper review on traveling with this camera and what it's like using such a lightweight setup, because normally, historically, I had been carrying around this Nikon D850 and a mammoth lens collection every time I went somewhere, because you just never know. Like, you don't know. You never know what you need super long lens, super wide lens for, and everything in between. But for this video, I just wanted to do a little showcase of some run and gun footage I took with this little bazooka, all handheld, most in 4K 120 because there is no loss in quality when you're shooting at 120 frames per second with this camera. Like, that being a reality barely makes any sense to me. Sure, you have a gigabyte of file data for every 5 seconds of video you shoot with this puppy, but I mean, trade-offs, you know? 120p plays back perfectly at 24 frames per second, 60 frames per second, or 120 frames per second. The shutter speed is fast enough that the images are crisp enough that you can stabilize and post to your heart's content. The relatively low 12 megapixel sensor has such a fast readout that there's almost no rolling shutter, so you feel free to shoot out the window of a moving car all day. And low light. The low light. Oh, the low light performance of this camera. I'm jingling next to the microphone, I'm sorry. Anyway, I'm going to talk about all of that in the review. I'm going to start working on the review right now, pretty much, right after I upload this. So please enjoy the following couple of super short vacation shorts I tossed together to some royalty-free Egyptian-sounding music that hopefully I got regionally correct, at least somewhat. Petra and the Pyramids. Roll clip.